continues to accept United States so-called extended nuclear deterrence, successive Japanese governments have uncritically echoed the US position. In my book, I include the following 7 arguments why Japan should reject nuclear deterrence for its security. 1. A nuclear weapon is the ultimate terror device. As the Hibakusha know too well, the uniquely indiscriminate long-term effects of radioactivity, including genetic damage, on top of almost unimaginable explosive violence, make nuclear weapons the most unacceptable terror devices yet invented, far worse than chemical or biological weapons. Nuclear weapons are in a league of their own regarding horrifically cruel mass destructiveness. 2. Nuclear deterrence is in fact state-sponsored nuclear terrorism. This means that when the British Navy trained me to prepare to drop a nuclear bomb from my aircraft carrier-based strike jet on a military airfield near the ancient Russian capital of St. Petersburg back in the 1960s, I was being ordered to be a nuclear terrorist. 3. Terrorists are undeterrable with nuclear weapons. Nothing can deter an opponent bent on self-destruction. Also, the targeted state may not know the source of a terrorist attack, so there may be nowhere at which to direct retaliatory threats. The smallest nuclear weapon is hundreds of times more powerful than the largest conventional bomb. It is therefore too indiscriminate to use. With no clear target anyway, a threat to do so would not be credible. Some extremists could even provoke a nuclear-armed state to do this. The only practical way to deal with nuclear blackmail is by negotiation, while trying to neutralize the blackmailers using such tactics as exhaustion and disorientation. 4. Nuclear deterrence is not credible. This is because a rational leader cannot make a credible nuclear threat against a nuclear adversary capable of a retaliatory nuclear strike, because he would be committing his country and citizens effectively to posthumous revenge. 5. Nuclear deterrence undermines security. Security cannot be attained by threatening the security of others. Nuclear deterrence directly threatens the security of both those who depend on it, like Japan at this time, and those whom it is meant to deter, like North Korea, China, and Russia. Nuclear weapons are in fact a security problem, not a solution. This is because they also undermine a possessor's security by provoking the most likely and dangerous threat, proliferation to undeterrable extremists. Nuclear disarmament, therefore, is a security building process.